You've seen the headlines. AI writes for you. AI takes over creativity. But here's the truth. AI can help you write, design, or create, but your voice, your authenticity, should never be replaced. Here's how to stay true to yourself while using AI. First, think of AI as a first draft, not the final product. Let's say you're an ambitious writer. Instead of staring at a blank page, prompting AI to get the ball rolling can be a great starting point. But don't just stop there. Use AI to generate ideas, outlines, or even full scripts. But always add your own experiences, your own stories, and a human touch to make it feel personal and unique. That's right. You don't have to be a coding genius or a design wizard. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to experiment. So what if you're feeling uninspired? No problem. Instead of letting AI take over completely, use it as a sounding board. Ask it questions like, what if my character had this kind of superpower? Or how would this design look with these color palettes? See where AI takes you and then add your own creative spin to it. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn from these conversations. And finally, let's say you're happy with an AI's first draft. Excellent, but before you hit publish, make sure you give it the human test. Does it sound like something I would say or do? Does it feel authentic to my brand or my style? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and share it with pride. You've leveraged AI to create something amazing without sacrificing your voice. In the end, AI gives speed, you give soul, and that combination creates content the world can truly connect with. So don't be afraid to experiment, to play around, and to learn. The future is all of ours to create. Let's build it together.